Let me quickly show you the application that we are going to build. This is basically an e-commerce application. And the basic purpose of this application is to shop furniture. With the help of this application, the user can easily purchase furniture for his home. So if I run this application, then here you can see that we have a sign up screen. Let me sign up with this application. Alright, now I'm gonna log in with this application. And here we go. Our login is successful and we are on this home page. If we click on some specific menu, then we will be redirected towards the product list page. And there we can tap some product and jump towards the product detail page. Now on this page, we can increase or decrease the product quantity and can easily add the product in the shopping cart. Now once we add the product in the cart and switch back to the home page, then on the home page, our cart value will be updated. Then we have this popular products. Let me add this inside our shopping cart. And here our cart value has been updated. Now if we click on the cart icon, then it will take us to the cart page. There we can see the total price of the cart. We have this clear cart functionality that will clear our shopping cart. Let's go ahead and place the order. So on this page, we will provide the detail and place the order, and we'll get a pop-up with our order ID, which means our order has been placed against this ID. Now on the home page, let's tap My Orders, and there we can see our orders, and if we further tap on the orders, then we can see the details of our orders. Alright, well that's the brief overview of this application, and there are a lot of things that we'll cover in this course. So are you excited to build this application with me? Then let's begin.